This one is for the people them who feel like some money go up and tree a foreign. You know have to know when you not beg and who not beg and who not beg. Me say a long time the people in my inbox us a ning and there's a bada me fi discuss the topic and I've been going around it because me decide say I never want touch no can't toward in this era here. But right now I get out on and I get out of control, so no leave me with no other alternative besides to come to the conclusion figure hard pound in this because no need to get the knocks together because the people them is tired down. Right now the one are dedicated to the man and the woman them who just sit down a Jamaica around the social network them and decide to live off of foreign people and decide for big like them blind and one like ambulance. So no need to get the knocks together because like me say the people them is tired down. I don't know how no feel like people are foreign get money from so, but I don't know. It's like somehow no feel say money a grow up on tree or you can just go in a bank and beg one money and then give you one money whether you have money in there or not. I mean I know no bank would do it because if they didn't know it more that they join it. Or I mean I know if I people them will come down there and tune to see them in a deeper clothes and boot or them are going to the impression like they have it, but me they here for me couldn't know so they not dry shit. For them no and nothing. And if I tell you no, if you understand say a foreign this one you can get the boot and clothes them pan sale for $2 and $3 and $5 5 times. So when you see them just not make them the kitchen yeah. So if people them we are good on a Jamaica go fool the people them like you know if you don't want a man just hold on and just rub them knuckle and no for so till it start bleed. For no sense because found out to God Almighty stupid. I don't need to get food no wax together too. Some of the woman then down a Jamaica me tell us as them meet one foreign man and don't want to give man a chance. We see if you no like him man like you or not, you know just start with the big you know this a big so you know this one everything you know want, I don't want this, I don't want that, I don't want, you know to want some my time. You know want to give the man a chance to see him out. Do not you understand say begging is a turn off. If you no know begging is a turn off, also you know so easy to beg. You know if you understand say man they will turn off. You know have to wait. When you meet a nice woman, you have to wait for see what the man a go do if you like you know him or do what is right. If you know have one man and you know have to beg him, trust me, need I go do what did for do in the first place. Yeah, me call him go along, we now go and move on to the next. And for the man then we sit down on the Facebook and Instagram every day and decide see alone for no man them a target and I knock on hustle, you know. Listen me good and I knock on hustle because me get to understand say down to the ants one left off of the rock down there to the way down there hard. So me nah knock on hustle but at the same time you have to know who nah beg and who nah beg and how nah go beg. You know can't just a beg like you no blind and like you nah no sense. Me they have to make you know these things. Somehow you may tell us as you know depend on the social network and you meet one foreign man and the do man and move like you no reel out this everlasting request list. Somehow you request list long. Some I want to request a list long like when I write that from their primary school I come up. Number one, first thing first, some I want all jean jacket. Me no want nobody ask all me for jean jacket cause me no want a jean jacket. Some I want again no want all PlayStation. Me no want nobody ask if no PlayStation cause me no play no PlayStation. Me no PlayStation. And except I want again no want all Apple laptop. Me ask Apple laptop. Me no have Apple laptop. It's a $300 laptop. Me have a wicked hype. Then they buy give me from what kill fill up. And next set I no want all iPhone, I no want Galaxy. Me no know if I soon see people and come down there with them big phone and I think I buy them and their money can buy more. No baby have internet now can look and no go on them and pull up and see how much you Apple laptop and see how much you iPhone and see if nobody can then the type of money they feel just buy give people at random. You no need to get to knock together and know what people are do for them work for know how no can beg. You know if you understand say if you're not smuggle and jugs you know can't people can't buy certain things. You know if you adopt them mats they and know them thing they before now beg. You know can't have no friend you know can't beg one little $50 and sit one know so none them a come from far and no friend you know. But somehow you know just a beg at rampant and this a beg randomly so you no need to sort out them like a mats there and get to no acts together. Somehow you know again when it come to the international minutes you know look woman and from you find woman them or find the man them up there next second them alone to buy the international minutes them straight now baby and I saw this thing I go when the two of the pan phone I two of afford sex and I do up deep or something them and I two of the conversation are sweet dear and then me no know what I'm to somehow as bunny better the accent me tell you now cause me there Jamaica right now and I look a foreign girl and I try and press she me I tell her say me rather buy me and me I buy the first international minutes and when she buy one me I make certain buy the next one for she say alright another somebody me I look for them out to know know do and play fool to get eyes on is too stupid and I need for stop it and get the knocks together. And next thing again, when the phone for tap up for the tango and the Skype and all, they sit there work. You can't expect say from one end for you tap it up. Because the two people, they might enjoy themselves. I want to lie down on the back like when they turn over crab and turtle and a back fish and a do all they sit there and I feel up breast and naked pitch and send back and forth. And the two people, they might enjoy themselves. So the expense cannot. They found one smart, don't need for sort out. Then look how much they and get the knocks together. I know nothing more I tell you up on this. Alright.